How's it going, everybody? Looking to get this one started. I'm just working on getting Instagram on the fold. And here we go. We're ready. So I think a lot of people know that there is an executive order out there put out by the Biden administration to bring the world's best minds in artificial intelligence and also STEM to the United States. And I think it's a great idea, but we've been doing a lot of research in the market for a couple of reasons. One is we're adamant about being the best immigration law firm in the United States for the O1A, O1B, and EB1, EB2 with the national interest waiver applications for AI professionals in the nation. And then also we have products that we're making on our own with some of the AI talent that we have access to bring products to the market to help lives easier for immigration lawyers, and then probably for even people to do visa petitions themselves. But while going through and navigating this space, I've noticed that there's a big gap and maybe a misunderstanding of how AI talent is applied in the market. So what we find is that there's usually either the large companies looking for AI talent, or it's the small startups that need AI talent. And there's not a lot in the middle there that would have like the regular traditional flow of recruitment. For the large companies, typically they're looking at bringing in talent under the H-1B category, which of course has its limitations, such as just having a cap. There's only a certain number of them that can come that way, and it has specific requirements that might not fit well with some of the AI minds out there. A lot of them are not even, traditionally educated, but they are self-taught entrepreneurs. The other thing that brings up is the opportunities. A lot of times, small startups start as teams that are really cohesive, and it's not something where they need a lot of manpower to come on a full-time basis to get their products off the ground. It may be something to where they need just some help here and there to do some coding, but it's not something that would support, doing a whole visa petition to bring someone on for multiple years. And they might not have the funding readily available to them to do the salary on top of the visa process. For the larger companies, I would say that, as I said before, the H-1B program has its limitations, and they're not as keen on bringing a lot of folks in for AI under the O1 categories or EB2, things of that nature. That's why what we're going to do is we're going to approach the committee that is over executing the Biden administration's plan on AI to suggest some things. Because we think that it's more the entrepreneurial spirit of some of these AI companies, influencers, and agencies that would better support getting them over here quicker so they can come and do their own projects rather than waiting for a labor opportunity or an employment opportunity to come. So one of the things is like we want to stress that maybe they can get O1As to do freelance work. They can get O1B categories so that whole teams of them can come, as far as the main person getting an O1B visa, and then them able to get their support staff under the O2 visas. And then also advocate for ways to make it streamlined for them to do EB2 with national interest waivers, because that way they wouldn't need a labor offer either. And they'd be able to come and set up their own shop and make themselves available on a project basis to the large employers, and then also to help out the smaller startups get out in a way that they wouldn't have to commit financially to them to get their visas and to do their salary. But that's just our thoughts and kind of what to look forward to from us, as we're going to put out a survey to the market to really find out how talent is being brought in from a global perspective on AI. And we're also going to be developing projects that will come out soon. So be on the lookout, and we should have some more content coming out soon. Thank you very much.